Alright.
Way on both sides, and I just use some of that stuff there, but the problem is when you spray that, it gets over everything else and you don't really want that. So I just sprayed it into a little cap, paint cap right here, sprayed a bunch of it in there, and then I just used one of these little paintbrushes from Harbour Freight and just dip it in like that and just get it on. So just kind of spray some in here like this. Hang on a sec. So got some in, dip the brush in here, and just kind of get it on the edge where you want to waterproof. Like that. And that way, if ever water gets down in there, at least it will be protected some. I mean, this wood is already like treated in a way where it can get wet to some degree, but you still don't want to take any chances with like having this area exposed. So best just kind of sealing it just in case. Okay, and the other sides, at both ends are already done. This is just like the front. So that's pretty much it.
Alright, we will be back with y'all soon.